Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you a full guide on how to create a poll in a group on WhatsApp. So, let's get started. Step 1. Start by opening WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're inside WhatsApp, navigate to the group where you want to create the poll. Simply tap on the group's name to enter. Step 3. Now, locate the link icon within the group. It usually appears as a chain symbol. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Great, you're almost there. Look for the poll icon, which is represented by a bar graph. Give it a tap to access the poll creation feature. Step 5. Type in your question in the designated field, and then add the different options that people can choose from. Step 6. Finally, when you're ready to launch the poll, simply tap on the play button. This will make the poll visible to all the members of the group. And there you have it. You've successfully created a poll in your WhatsApp group. It's a great way to gather opinions and make decisions together. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.